Hello friends, so today we're going to discuss the first problem from the latest educational Codeforces round 94, problem name string similarity. So this question can be approached by a lot of ways, but I will tell you the most simpler and somewhat a different way also. The question statement states that you are given two binary strings and the two binary strings are similar if at least like one of the characters matches. If any one of their characters at any position matches, then they are similar. So what you are actually given is you are given a string of length 2n minus 1. So this is an odd number of string in which like the string length is double minus 1 and you are given a binary string of this length. Then what you have to do here is if you take all the substrings from 1 till n, then 2n plus like 2 till n plus 1, 3 till n plus 2 and so on till all these substrings, then they all you actually have to construct a string such that if you take this string and all these substrings should be similar. What does this mean? If you are given any string, if you like divide this string into all the substrings, then all the substrings should be having a common string or a string which is similar to all the substrings. So you have to find out that similar substring. I hope you understand the question first. So if you draw this question, it will become more similar to you. So let's draw out this example in which there are 3 ones and then 4 zeros. So it is 1 1 1 then 0 0 0 0. Okay, so now n is equal to 4 in this. So you can understand that you can take this substring first, then this 4 length, then this 4 length, and then this 4 length. So different substrings can be 1 1 1 0 and then 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 and then all zeros. Now what you can observe here is, as like if you can draw here, is this character, middle character, because it is of odd length, this character is common in all the strings. Like this character can be common in all the strings. So if I take only this character and repeat it n times, because the length of this common string should be of length n. If I repeat this n times, this middle character, because of its odd length, then it is definitely that this common character will be same in all the lengths. Why? Because as you can see, I just have to match only one character and this character is same in all the strings. So I just repeat this character n times because it will assure that it will always match up with the middle element, or like for the first string it will match the last element, for this string it will match the second last element, third last element, fourth last element. So that's all. So what you can do, you can just see the last, like the middle element, and you can check that what is the middle element and you can like print it out n times. So that's the first logic, which is very simple. The other logic can be, if you can observe that this is the strings, these are the substrings. Let's assume that I have these substrings and these are the substrings. Let's assume that the common substring is the initial substring 1 1 1 0. Let's assume. Okay, now because it is, now what we will do, we will match this substring with every other substring. Okay, and then what we will check that if at least one character matches with every other substring, then it's okay. This string is fine. This string is fine. But if this string doesn't fine, it means that all the characters of this string is different from all the characters of the like this substring. So if I just match only one character, then it will be fine. So what I can do here is I can make a variable k, which is equal to, let's assume that it is equal to 0 in the start. If I found a substring which doesn't match with any of the characters with this substring, I will change the first value. I will just reverse it. I will invert it. So if it get inverted, it will become like this string. Okay, and k will increase. Why I take a pointer at k? Why? Because let's assume that now I move to some another substring, and in that also, if I match this substring with a new substring, then there is no character which matches. Then I like the common iteration can be, okay, I have to match one character, just flip the first character. If I again flip the first character, it will become the original string and we lost the track to make it a different string. So then k equal to 1 means that, okay, like remain the first string as this, first character as this, but now invert the second character. because I just want to invert some characters. Now this character will make or match in the first string, which is the different. If this will character will match in the second string, which is different, and all the rest characters can match in the strings which we have. So you can change these characters according to this. This is a somewhat lengthy logic, but this will also work. I hope you understand both of the logics. Let's move on to the code. So this is the simple code for the first logic. You just take the input of n and s, and for all the n positions, just print out the n minus 1 because it is of index 0 and n is of index 1. So n minus 1 is the middle element. Just print the middle element n times, and that's the answer. I hope you understand the logic of both the logics and the question itself and the code. If you still have any doubts, please mention down. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Keep coding. Bye.